We are in the Orion beer factory and it's very humid here, right?
Yes.
How does it feel in here?
It's hot, like Hong Kong.
Yeah, horrible. Anyway, this is a mashing for a beer. You better look down, you can see inside. All right. All right, back to the AC. Ah, that's better. Well, here's the thing. Doesn't work. What does that say?
Hand or auto?
Doesn't work. Anyway, it spins it. It's a big mashing machine. An MM. Oh, by the way, if you didn't know, we're in Okinawa. Yeah. Orion Beer Factory. Happy Parker Tour. But it's Sunday, so everyone's lazy today.
はい、沖縄で出来上がりましたビールの素、麦汁を食べ、アルコールと炭酸ガスに変わる様子です。こちらを発酵と言います。オリオンビールでは、私もちょっといいですか。オリオンビールでは沖縄の気候風土にマッチした酵母を厳選して使用しております。酵母にも皆様と同じようにお名前がございます。数字でのお名前となっておりまして、オリオンビールで使用しております酵母のお名前、750140という酵母を使用しております。75は、
Fermentation.
はい、ここ、名を使用しめし、0140は、分かりますか ?0140。おいしい。すごい、そうです。おいしい。
Basically.
残ったゼロどうしましょうおいしい。そうではないです。
Oh, ishi.
そうです。
Basically, yeast eats the drink and then farts out alcohol and carbon dioxide. That's fermentation. 続きまして、熟成工程、寝かせ工程に約2週間。お客様に飲んでいただける味わいになるまで。はい、こちらの機械で瓶にビールを詰めていくんですが、ちょっと曇っててあんまり見えないので、映像でご案内していきます。
Factory's not working today. Sunday.
Oh. Oh, no, a move. Here in Japan, they actually spelled wash properly. Look. Wash with water. Because that's how you, eh? Oh, right. Clean your phone. Hey, look at this. Better look down though, hang on. You see that? Ultraviolet. It's very Japanese technology. Now, where's my phone? Come back. Come back. Come back. Uh-huh. All right, clean, pretty good. Now, we're in the Orion drinking place. I think it's called a bar. Oh, yes. Ticket price for 10,000 yen comes with 2 beers. Fresh from the factory. Arigato. Oh, snacks. Uh-huh. So first cup is this, second cup, Japanese cocktails. Pretty good. Oh, what's your thing? Alright, so that was Orion Factory Beer Factory Tour in
Happy Park.
Okinawa.
Happy Park tour.
And if you don't want, well, you get 2 free drinks. If you don't, well, it's not free. You got to pay for the ticket. But if you don't
But
want
it's
beer,
worth it. 500 yen for 2 drinks and a tour.
oh, it's just 500 yen. Yeah,
Yeah.
so 10,000.
No,
But that's for 2 people.
500 yen per person, so
Yes.
1,000 yen for 2.
Luckily, you're keeping count. And if you don't want beer, well, you get 2 drinks. If you don't want beer, you can also get this. It's that lime drink that I like, which I got here, which is a sugar-free one, but it's got alcohol in it. So if you don't want sugar, but you want alcohol, you can get this, but you're still going to get fat because the alcohol is going to make you fat. But you get drunk, and the calories don't come from the sugar; it comes from the alcohol. Good idea. And she can't drink because she drove, so
Okay, this one.
she has this one. So key takeaways from this trip: don't come on the weekend because they're closed. Well, they're not closed, but like no one's working here. They actually take a day off.
2 days. Saturday,
days off.
Sunday, and Japan is public holiday.
They should be like in other countries that I won't name. They would be working non-stop. The factory wouldn't close because productivity and making money is the most important. But here on this island,
Work-life balance.
they enjoy their life. It's very unusual. All right, anyway, Orion tour. It's called Happy Park, and you got to book online, but you can kind of walk in if it's not that full. So try your luck. And thanks for watching Juice's. Well, actually, don't watch Juice's very boring video diary because it's kind of boring and long, and I don't even edit. I just record and then whatever makes it, makes it. Anyway,
Let's go.
time to go.
See dolphins.